Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at Facebook daily, weekly, hourly time frames. So Thursday we had a bullish candlestick bouncing off the 50-day, followed by a bearish rejection on the back test of the middle Bollinger Band and 10-day moving average resistances. And today we're pretty much lining up right in the middle of those levels, and they are converging. So we know that a close under the 50-day lets us know to go bearish short term, and a close above the middle Bollinger Band has us looking bullish short term. Now we need to factor in the after hours action, as Netflix had a huge beat. They're up 18-20%. The market is trading higher. We've got Facebook trading higher, Amazon, all kinds of individual names are responding. We'll see if this is going to be a sentiment change into the market tomorrow with this very big beat by Netflix. And if the bulls can close above the middle Bollinger Band, 128.64 and dropping, we'll be looking up at 129.66 as the next resistance level on Facebook. Weekly time frame, key 10-week support being tested again, 127.18. We bounced off that level last week. We're testing it again here on the verge of a bearish MACD cross. It's starting to follow through. So if we lose that 10-week moving average, we're going to be looking down to the low 120s, and we're going to be looking for the bears to affirm their control on the shorter and midterm time frame. So that's a key 10-week moving average of 127.18, essentially a must-hold level for the short-term bulls. Looking at Facebook on the hourly, very clear level that we need to turn into support. Look at the high from Friday, rejecting from the 100 and 200 period moving average resistances after they acted as support a bit earlier last week. So now those resistance levels are 128.60 and 128.75. If we can turn them into support, we're going to break the high from Friday, and we're going to see a clear progression for the bulls to the upside. So keep an eye on these hourly 100 and 200 period resistances. We can see this bullish candlestick here after hours. A little bit of profit taking now, but we did get back over 128 over a 60% move after hours in response to those Netflix earnings. And we'll see if that can carry over into tomorrow and if the bulls are going to show up and test those key levels. And if we see a break of the low of last week, 126.75, we will likely lose the 50-day moving average support, and we'll know to be looking down towards the 121, 122 area as the next level of support. So we'll check back in tomorrow and see how wide these Netflix bullish ripples go in the market. I appreciate you watching. See you then.